What's up? Gonna make a cappuccino. Gonna use this mug this time, my Fontana Village one that I got while I was driving at Till the Dragon in North Carolina, Tennessee. Also using a slightly different bean. I got this one from, they're called Woodstock Coffee Company, and they roast their own beans and everything. They got the roaster like right there in the store. It's like the first thing you see. So I got some of their beans. It's been really good so far. I haven't really changed my recipe at all. We're still using 16 grams, so that's what we're gonna measure out. But what I found with this bean is just like a lot more intense. Like the other bean that I've used from Apotheos, like it's amazing, but I'm kind of preferring this stronger, more intense kind of flavor. Especially since I like to make all these different kinds of drinks and add all this kind of stuff. But um, I think whether you're just making like a normal espresso or making something wild like a white mocha cortadito, this dark roast is the way to go. So 16 grams. All right, perfect. Yeah, we're good. Where is my thing? Hold on. It's over here in the drying rack. Classic medium pitcher. Gonna fill this one up pretty low, maybe halfway towards the spout. I'm also gonna grab, before I forget, our chocolate dusting. I may have too much bean in here. I saw it bouncing around 16 and 17. I think we have more of 17 in here. Yeah, we totally have 17 in here. Hold on. Although it compressed really nicely, so maybe we're good. I had just a tiny bit extra in there. Yeah, that's why it's good to have the blade around, just in case. Right, that should be good. I'll pull a double straight in there, but I may cut it short. Pressure looks perfect. Cut it just a bit short right there. Shot looks amazing. Then we're going to add a lot of air to this. It's going to be very, very foamy. Got to give it a bit of time to warm up. Got to control that air just a little bit better. Get a good swirl going. And just keep gently adding the air. Gently making that hissing noise. I never like it to like constantly chirp like that. I just want it to like chirp like sporadically, like but not uncontrollably. I hope anything I just said made any sense at all. It's getting hot really fast. It's expanding pretty nicely. Just gonna keep adding air, trying to be really gentle with it. It's kind of hard because it's swirling a lot, and you're trying to add air and it's getting really high. And then you just gotta settle for whatever you get right here. So I think we're good there. Got a good bit of foam, it looks like. Quickly clean off the wand. And yeah, it's time for me to change this lawn towel. It's dirty. what we're gonna do actually. Add a bit of cocoa to that. Let's see if we can grab some latte. It's kind of hard to do with this much foam, but we'll try. That looks so cool. I tried so hard. All right. You know, we'll keep that top half and just try to hide that bottom half. How about that? Check that out. Gonna try to lift this up without spilling anything. Yeah, it's right there. It's domed pretty good. Hopefully y'all can see that okay. I just gotta put it up a bit. There we go. There's your cappuccino. Anyway, I'm gonna drink this. Oh god. I'm gonna drink this. Thanks for watching, y'all.